Hey there, my friends. Dan G. Fox here. Thanks for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that and hope you'll get some good value out of what I've got for you today. And if you do, be sure and click on the like button below and even comment. I would appreciate that. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button so you make sure you get all the good goodies that I put out. So today is day six of the 10-day YouTube challenge. And today's topic is, who is Tim Miller? And that's an easy topic to go with because this man is so inspirational and so motivating. Everybody needs to hear his story. And I'm just going to give you a quick blip on him, all right? But there's way more about Tim that you should learn because it really is just a very inspiring story. So Tim Miller is an affiliate and member with LiveGood, with the company that I work with through network marketing. And before Tim started with LiveGood, he was living in a homeless shelter. He was in a wheelchair, and he started working LiveGood. Now he'd done network marketing before, so he wasn't new to it, but he was really down and out. I mean, he was living in a homeless shelter, in a wheelchair, using a government issued phone, okay? And he started working LiveGood, and he used a shared computer at the library and a shared computer at at the homeless shelter. And that was in November of last year. And in very shortly, some months took him, but he is the highest paying person in LiveGood. He makes over $100,000 a month. Now, of course, we know that's not typical of everybody, but I'm just saying a person like Tim went from homeless to $100,000. That's a millionaire. That's a millionaire. In a year's time. All right. So it can be done. He's very inspirational, and the thing is, not only has he made it to the top producing person in the company, he's in a position called Crown Diamond level. It's only 2 Crown Diamonds. He was the first. Um, but he's a very humble person. I mean, he shoots it straight, so you don't misunderstand anything. But he's very humble. He doesn't brag about how much money he makes. It's other folks that talk about it because we use that as a motivation to see that if he can do it, anyone can do it. Um, but yeah, he's real good about helping others to see the right routes to make it in this business, to see the right direction to make it in this business, and he calls out people who are doing the wrong thing because he wants them to be successful. That's what I like about him. He doesn't beat around the bush. He doesn't sugarcoat anything. He tells it like it is, and because of that, people grow. I mean, he has trainings every Saturday that he does for his team to help all of us to move forward. So Tim Miller, who is he? An astounding guy, a very motivational guy. I mean, he no longer is in a homeless shelter. He's out of that. He's got a real nice place. I've seen the place on TV on the monitor. Very nice apartment now, and doing well. He's still in his wheelchair. Hopefully, God willing, he'll be out of that wheelchair eventually. But he's still in his wheelchair. But he's not using a government phone anymore. He's not using a shared computer anymore because he's made it. So, if anything, like I said, nothing is guaranteed. But if anything, he sure is a good motivator for all of us to be able to work this business and go forward. Live Good did that for him. He can do it for any of us. He can do it for you also. So if you're not in Live Good yet, I have a link down below that you can take the free tour. It costs you nothing, absolutely nothing to take the free tour and learn more about the business and to see exactly how you can do what Tim do with the right situation and everything there. So thank you for listening to my video today. And again, if you got something out of it, I appreciate if you click the like button and comment. And if you really got something, go ahead and share it with somebody so they can get some value from it too. So you take care for now, and you have a foxtastic day.